I'm Jane from McKay Communications, marketing Jane of all trades who loves puns. Before I started my business, I worked my way up from junior copywriter to marketing manager in my corporate career before taking the great leap and starting Jane McKay Communications in 2009 after my husband and I, pre-kids, moved to rural East Gippsland in Victoria. I'm a copywriter, branding designer, website designer, social media manager, and most importantly, marketing strategist. And I do all of these things every day and I love it. So I am super excited to be here to talk to you today as part of the Building Your Business with Confidence. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to make your website work for you. So your website represents a large investment for your business, but if it's not set up correctly from both a technical and a marketing perspective, you could be, as they say, leaving money on the table. So if your website is not achieving its aim of bringing in customers, then it's simply not doing its job. So a lot of clients come to me at a time when they are scaling and growing and are looking to up-level their business. Now they have a handle on who their dream clients are. They're looking to connect and engage and convert their customers through their website, which is what any good website should do. So today I'm going to take you through some basic tools and knowledge so that you can talk with confidence to your copywriter and web designer, if they're not me, about what you want out of your website to connect, engage, and convert your customers. So let's get going. In any website project, before we go ahead on the fun stuff like branding and pictures and fonts, we need to ensure that we have the foundations of your website set up correctly. And the foundation of any effective website is SEO, or search engine optimization. So SEO, very basically, is the data that tells search engines what to rank your website for. And there are a bucket load of SEO elements, and people talk about the algorithm and algorithm changes, but the very basic ones that you can control from a non-technical perspective are your keywords and your copy. So before going in depth on any keyword research and writing your copy, I always spend a chunk of time with my clients talking about their dream customers and their dream clients, where they're at and what their core problem is when they're searching for your product or service. So before going deep on your dream clients, you need to know them intimately, and knowing them intimately is the key to effective marketing. It helps you empathize with them and understand the language they'll be using in their searches. So if you don't know your dream clients well, I recommend downloading my Dream Client Workbook, which I've included as a freebie in the links. So tools like Answer the Public and Uber Suggest are really amazing for discovering what questions people are asking search engines, and a really good way to get some basic SEO knowledge of what people are searching, and they're kind of fun too in a geeky way. There's also a Chrome plugin called Keywords Everywhere, or I think they're called apps plugins, which was recommended to me by the queen of SEO herself, Kate Toon, that you can use yourself to do some keyword research and really get an understanding of what your customers are searching for when they're looking for you. So now you've done some basic keyword research, you've made some spreadsheets, because that's what we do when we do keyword research, you can talk to your copywriter with confidence about what you think your clients and customers are searching, and they can then, your copywriter, can integrate it into your website copy in a way that is as search engine friendly as possible. So step one, tick. Now on to step two. You understand your dream clients and you've got a basic handle on what people are searching so they can find your website. You want them to stay there and convert. And the number one problem I see with websites is they're not designed with any user action in mind, or too many actions on each page. So ask yourself, what do I want people to do when they get to my site? What is the primary action I want them to take? And the general rule of thumb that I use is one page, one action. So do you have a freebie you'd like them to sign up for, or to get them on your mailing list? Would you like them to take up a discount? Would you like them to contact you directly? So when you're thinking about having your website built or rebuilt, bear this in mind for each page and let your web designer know. So here are a few brief tips to help you to design your site's ideal customer experience, which you can then share with your web developer. Put your why before your what. What do you want? Why do you do what you do? Create a compelling headline or story that makes your readers want to read more about you and your business. So develop an interesting, strategic brand story that connects and engages your readers with your language. So be human, be unique, be funny if it's appropriate, and remember, you're a person talking to another human just like you would in real life. Make your navigation simple. While it's tempting to do fancy schmancy navigation, don't try to be smart. If people are confused, they'll click off quicker than they'll read your headline. So create clear calls to action. Make sure your users know what to do, and ensure your website looks good on mobile and iPad, as 70% of people are using mobile devices to visit your site. Take the opportunity to build your list if you can. Freebies can be quick and easy to create on Canva. Building your list is a really important part of marketing, because if people aren't ready to buy now, they can at least have a way to get in contact with you, or you will stay top of mind by contacting them through your email on a regular basis. And when they are ready to make a sale or make a purchase, you will be there in their minds. So do that. Build trust with your users. So use your face and use authentic photos. Don't use stock photos if possible. Have at least one photo of you on your website. If you visit my website, you will see that I take that very seriously. And yes, so that is the quickest rundown on earth on how to make your website work for you. And I hope it's given you the confidence to have the conversion, connection, and engagement conversation with your copywriter and website designer. So if you want to work with me in a low cost, low commitment sort of way, I'm offering all the building your business with confidence peeps, $100 off my DIY marketing with a mentor program. So you get a lifetime membership for the life of the program for just $397, and that's it, no catch. In this at your own pace, in your own time program, you'll learn real practical marketing skills you can implement and start growing your business with a mentor, expert mentor from me, who I'm always in the Facebook group, the VIP Facebook group. There's a whole lot of beautiful people in there, and there's fortnightly live calls where you can jump on and ask all your questions and get instant answers. So use the coupon code GOALS2019, because marketing is your goal for 2019, at the checkout to get your $100 discount. So if there's anything else you'd like to know, you can find me at my website, janemckaycommunications.com.au, or Google me, because SEO, or on all the social channels, Jane McKay on LinkedIn, Jane McKay Communications on Facebook and YouTube, and Jane McKay Comms on Instagram and Pinterest. Oh, I love Pinterest. Oh, and you can listen to my podcast, Smart Women in Business, on iTunes and Spotify. Have a fabulous day.